Alright. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. We're back in the speed shop. This is what we call it, the speed shop. We're back in the speed shop. We have another install today. Not really big install, just like replacement really. Replacing the old this car used to have a Corksport battery box, still has a Corksport battery box, but it's not really a Corksport battery box anymore. It's kind of broken. Yep. So yeah. Thanks for these roads we have. We paid for in
Illinois?
Yeah, Illinois, Indiana, all that. Trash.
The Midwest
yeah.
in general.
Garbage. So yeah. We're gonna install a new battery box and hopefully the car will just stop turning off when you're driving it, because it happened a couple times. Yeah,
it happened even to the speed shop.
So yeah, it just shut off. So we're gonna replace that.
Fun.
Yeah, no power steering. It's like a full race car.
Going 80 miles an hour with other cars around you, and you lose power. And it comes back on, but now you have no power steering.
Right, and no radio, and no radar, all that. So that's what we're gonna get installed today. That's what's over here in this box. This box. So yeah,
hey, it's sponsored by. You open up a box just to show that you have
another box.
Another box.
It's a box in a box.
I feel like Roddy Rich.
Right.
It's a box.
Yeah. Literally the same thing.
Yeah.
And no, it's not metal. Looks like it.
It's plastic.
Sounds like it. It's plastic.
Very much so.
Good old strong ABS plastic.
Those are metal.
Yeah. It puts metal screws in plastic box. It's fine though.
Thanks Corksport for sending this right away. I think I ordered it on Tuesday? Monday, Tuesday?
And it's Friday, so
yep.
Quick shipping. With your 7th gear membership, quick shipping, free shipping.
Yes. And then using points, knocked out the price.
Oh yeah? Use all your points?
I used them all. Yeah.
So yeah. There's a bunch of goodies for this car too. And we have a bunch of stickers in here too. Stickers and paperwork in here. That's for the GoPro. That.
Yeah.
Still looks good with these wheels on. It's still clean. I might give it another wash though. Oh, I have no more soap.
Nope, I don't have any more soap.
I use it all. I'm not gonna advance something like that. Yeah, advance. Yeah, we're gonna start working on this tune soon. With Freak Tune. Yeah, we're just talking about that, so we'll start on that soon. Should make some good sauce. We're gonna start disassembling this old one and get the new one over here. So, yeah.
Box not being broken. I mean, look. No, that whole bottom's out.
Yeah, the whole bottom part broke.
So they broke it. They had to have broken it. Like there's no reason.
It's cool. So this is the old one. Busted, broken,
Busted,
cracked. It's destroyed. This is the new one. We're gonna replace it with. So we just gotta move the ECU over and then put it back in. That's it. Should be done.
Battery, start her up.
Yeah, hopefully it's stable. This thing before was just like, it was sitting there and just rock in the engine bay, just back and forth. But yeah. So we got the new one back in. ECU's back on here. And now the holes, it's hard to see, but there's one back there.
Right here?
Yep, one there, one here.
And then there's another one right here.
Right down there.
And actually there's a fourth one. But I don't know. It's actually...
There's another hole, right?
But there's
I think it's something coming through there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's perfect.
That's it.
So now we just gotta get the get that bolted down, get the battery back in, hook the ECU back up, and then we'll be done. Quickest, easiest install you can do. Literally took, no joke, 15 minutes. Just like that, it's over with. It literally, it's not that hard. It's almost like a funny video, like why I'm making it, because it's how to install a battery box. But some people just, I don't know, might want to know.
Corksport actually made it pretty simple.
Yeah. So that's done. Like, the only downside to it is that it's plastic, but you can't really have metal with the battery because, you know, explosions, stuff like that. So
I mean, what's a car fire?
Right. So yeah.
All right. Well, let's give it a
You want to give him a cold start real quick?
cold start of the day.
Oh look, I see him. I see him. Hold on, let's pick him on camera. I'm showing off with the camera now. Spider-Man right there. No cap. All right, I'm gonna go back here. Make sure you tag them on IG. Corksport. Because Corksport. CST4, Corksport. It is Corksport. Exhaust is Corksport. Shift knob is Corksport. Shift knob, Corksport. Steering wheel, Corksport. Everything is this is a Corksport car. All things we don't work for them. That is going to conclude today's install video. Like I said, it wasn't much of an install video, it's kind of like self-explanatory, but something cool. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, I don't have much else to say. That's pretty much it. Oh look, just to show you guys the exhaust. I'll tell you, I wasn't joking. It's Corksport. Look, battery about to die. Hold on. Corksport. But alright guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.